welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for beautiful garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today we are diving into some budget-friendly creativity with our showcase of cheap DIY ideas with Driftwood's 16 rustic planter stand and holder designs. You will discover how easily these weathered wood pieces can transform your outdoor space into a rustic paradise. Before we begin exploring these unique ideas, please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration. Incorporating a multi-tiered driftwood branch creates a stunning vertical display for your favorite succulents. This budget-friendly arrangement allows you to maximize your gardening space while adding an organic focal point. Each natural crevice serves as a perfect pocket to nestle small pots securely. It brings a beautifully weathered element that instantly elevates any outdoor corner. Elevate your heavy terracotta pots by using small, sturdy pieces of driftwood as decorative feet. This clever trick not only prevents water stains on your patio, but also adds an earthy charm to standard containers. You can easily find matching pieces along the shore or in woodlands to suit your style. It is a simple yet effective way to give your garden arrangement a subtle lift. A long, dramatically twisted driftwood branch can serve as the perfect overhead support for hanging flower baskets. Suspending trailing vines from this natural anchor creates a whimsical, floating garden effect. The contrast between the rugged, aged wood and the vibrant, blooming flora is absolutely breathtaking. This DIY project instantly draws the eye upward to create a sense of height. Transforming a flat piece of driftwood into a wall-mounted planter stand adds instant character to bare surfaces. By securing a small wire basket or mason jar to the wood, you create a beautiful home for air plants or herbs. This vertical structure saves valuable floor space while serving as living wall art. It effortlessly introduces a relaxed coastal vibe right into your backyard. Finding a naturally hollowed-out driftwood log offers an incredible opportunity to build an organic container garden. You can fill the central cavity with nutrient-rich soil and a mix of colorful annuals. The irregular shape and texture of the wood ensure that your planter is completely one of a kind. It acts as a gorgeous, self-contained rustic centerpiece for any outdoor seating area. Arranging multiple driftwood sticks into a mini ladder shape creates a wonderful climbing frame or multi-level stand. You can lean this structure against a boundary to support lightweight potted herbs or climbing vines. The natural silver-gray patina of the wood blends seamlessly with lush green foliage. This design is highly adaptable and can be resized to fit any available space. Lashing 3 similar-sized driftwood branches together creates a sturdy and stylish tripod stand for a single statement plant. This geometric yet rustic approach offers excellent stability for a heavy trailing fern or spider plant. The open framework keeps the look light and airy while showcasing the unique curves of the wood. It provides an elegant sculptural element that looks great throughout the seasons. You can assemble smaller pieces of driftwood into a circular collar to conceal plain plastic nursery pots. Securing the pieces together with strong outdoor glue or wire forms an attractive textured sleeve. This project is a fantastic way to recycle smaller fragments that might otherwise go to waste. It instantly wraps your ordinary plants in a warm, rustic embrace. A thick, solid block of driftwood serves as a magnificent pedestal stand for a premium ceramic planter. Elevating a key specimen plant on this rugged base gives it the prominent display it truly deserves. The natural weight of the timber ensures it remains stable even during windy weather conditions. This setup creates a beautiful contrast between smooth ceramic and rough, weathered wood. Combining a standard wooden planter box with an upright driftwood backing creates a stunning integrated trellis. Climbing ivy or jasmine will happily weave through the smooth, sun-bleached branches over time. This dual-purpose structure provides both root space and vertical support within a compact footprint. It offers an enchanting, fairy tale-like quality to your garden layout. Smaller, intricately shaped driftwood pieces are perfect for holding delicate air plants on outdoor tables. You do not even need soil, as these unique specimens absorb nutrients directly from the air around them. Simply resting the plants inside the natural grooves creates an effortless, low-maintenance display. It brings a touch of coastal elegance right to your outdoor dining or relaxation zones. Curving two large pieces of driftwood together can form a beautiful mini archway to frame a special potted flower. This dramatic framing technique draws immediate attention to your prize blooms and adds architectural interest. The sun-bleached tones of the wood complement bright blossoms perfectly while standing out against green backgrounds. It transforms an ordinary garden spot into a curated botanical exhibit. Stacking selected driftwood pieces horizontally in a crisscross pattern creates an eye-catching, multi-layered tower stand. You can nestle several small potted plants within the open levels of this geometric structure. The resulting tower offers a dynamic look from every angle as you walk through your garden. It is a fun, sculptural DIY project that makes a massive visual impact. Hanging a flat, thick piece of driftwood from sturdy jute ropes creates a beautiful swinging shelf for multiple planters. This suspended display sways gently in the breeze, adding a soothing sense of motion to your porch or patio. It provides ample room for a collection of herbs or trailing succulents to thrive. The combination of rope and weathered wood enhances the overall nautical or rustic aesthetic. upturned driftwood root system can be adapted into an incredibly intricate holder for multiple small pots. The wild, sprawling nature of the roots offers dozens of unique nooks to cradle your greenery. This complex form looks like a living sculpture once fully planted with various colorful varieties. It is bound to become an instant conversation starter for anyone visiting your garden area. Securing a long driftwood log horizontally against a boundary structure creates a rustic floating ledger shelf. This sturdy shelf is ideal for lining up a uniform row of small, charming terracotta pots. It helps organize your plant collection while keeping your patio floor completely clear and tidy. We hope these ideas inspired you, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more creative garden art concepts.